Hey guys, my name is Lisa and welcome back to another video. So today we're playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator. We're still in the Agents of Egg Hunt 2020 and we're about to do, in like 4 minutes, the Mondo chick. So let's go. It's around 4 minutes until it spawns. So yeah, we're gonna do that. It's exactly... oh no, 2 minutes 54 seconds, okay. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Probably can't hear me. Go. Okay guys, Ethan's here, so yeah. Okay, guys can probably hear me better now, just vacuuming going on in the background. But Ethan accidentally used a glitter, apparently. Well, I saw him use a glitter and he said it's on accident. So we're gonna take this Mondo chick down in a little bit. And also there's a new code now, to do with the, why are you doing a sprout and everything, dude? That's horrible. Why would you do it now? He just wants me to die, doesn't he? For the clover field, there's a new code. Yeah, he did want me to. I know he wants me to die. Really? Also, after this, I've got my commando chick ready. He is doing this on purpose, and I know he is. That's why I'm not going to try and get any pollen. Nope, but I'm going to die anyways, yay. I don't care about this route. I just care about the stupid Mondo chick. Oh, a ticket and a royal jelly, okay. Okay, need this. Wow, I saw a silver egg, lol. Oh my god, wow, who cares? Oh, I just don't want to die to this thing again. Come on, so close. No, don't come near me. No. Ooh, okay. So close to being defeated. Come on, Mondo chick. Mondo! No. No. Oh my god, I hate you. Seriously. Oh my god. I'm gonna get nothing good. Who cares about the microconverters? I can't even get them anyways. Today's not a good day at all. And now he's running in front of me. And even if I run over this way, look, he's coming over here. When I run here, he's coming there. I didn't even get one. I didn't even get one marshmallow bee. I'm just going to do the code now, because why not? So the coat. I'm not wearing a coat. um, the code is called Reboot Egg or Egg Reboot. I can't remember what way it is spelt, like said. But let's go. Boot egg. I'll try first. No, it must be egg reboot. Egg reboot. Yes, so it's Ralph clock times 5, capacity code for an hour, Cloverfield capacity times 3, Cloverfield wins times 3, and Cloverfield boost times 3. And let's auto on my gumdrops because I really need goo right now from the Cloverfield. So let's do this. So I don't know how long exactly those boosts last for. I'll check soon. Okay. 14 minutes, half an hour, and 14 minutes. So mainly all 14 minutes, except for a half an hour one for that brown weird one, capacity. And is that Ethan I just saw jumping in the field? Nope, okay. I thought it would have been. Because he always shows up at the exact wrong moments. And earlier I was doing a stick bug challenge, my stick bug challenge, and he stole all of the stick bug defense totems on one of the rounds. When I really need them, I just need 2 more, and he stole all of them, and I got 0. Ugh. And now this other guy is just gonna steal stuff. Don't like everyone stealing my things. By the way, is that thing still being weird? Oh wait, no. It's fixed. Oh my god. If you didn't see in the Adopt Me video, my Roblox was going very, very weird, and this looked weird. Everything in the whole game looked so weird. But it's finally fixed now. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this for a bit, because hopefully I can finish this testing teamwork today. Because I'm really testing my teamwork against Ethan right now. Okay. 36 million. Wait, I should be using my sprinklers. Festive gifts, okay. I don't even know how I just placed those down, probably in a very weird way. Put one there, and one there, okay. That's fine though. And I don't really care too much about all my gumdrops. I just really want to finish this quest finally, so I can be on the last quest for the science beer. Because that would be very nice to finally be able to talk to Riley B and do some red themed quests. So yeah, just gonna keep doing this for a bit. I could have also went in there and done that, but for some reason I haven't yet. I just really want to finish this. Okay, hi Ethan. At least he's supplying gumdrops, but he's also getting rid of all the pollen in the field quicker. No, I just need 10 million more. Oh, and of course my thing goes off when I'm lagging a lot. At least I get some honey though, which is nice. Oh, and I'm about to be at 2 billion, which will be also nice. Come on, let's do this. Let's finally get rid of this quest. I'm gonna stop my gumdrops for a little bit and just see what I can do with Ethan's gumdrops and my wow, of course you have to give sprouts that lag me a lot. Thank you so much, Ethan. But yeah, his gumdrops and my gummy bee can just supply them for now. Yeah, and also that other guy is also doing some, which is nice. Oh, I got a coconut from my cub buddy. Now I've got 138, which is good. So yeah. Do 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 do. Oh my god, are you trying to make me lag so much, Ethan? I know he's doing this on purpose. Okay, I'm about to be done. Just 1 million more. Oh my god, and my thing goes off again. Okay. I've got to get all this honey. But I'd also rather get all of this goo. Goo, come on, get all the goo. Just need a little bit more goo. And I am done. Finally, I just need to do 2 stick bug defense totems and then I'm done. I'm nearly done, finally. Okay guys, so Ethan is here, and I'm just gonna quickly do my, my commando trick. I've done most of the health and then I just fled because I just wanted to do it for you guys. Because if you actually go in and then you leave again, if you just go to here, it will say commando trick fled, HP saved. So yeah.
Yeah, I've done 8.
Okay. Mine's at 11. Oh, like around 10, maybe 11.
Yeah.
And
Mine's probably not ready for another 20 minutes though.
okay. And it is down. Oh, by the way, I got I haven't told my viewers this, but I've gotten a golden egg from him, and I've gotten a star jelly from him.
Guess what? What was so sad?
What?
The one time I actually get something good from him, me. Oh, who cares about the drops? He only does stuff like bitter berries and oils.
Really?
Yes.
Well then, how did you know that you got some good stuff?
Because I turned around when I was coming back from the parkour and then I saw it disappear right in my freaking eyes.
With a golden egg?
No, it was a star jelly.
Oh, okay.
I have to go now.
Why? It feels like you're so often...
I'm pretty sure exercise.
Okay, so often you're like, I'm just going to grind in the same field as you, and I'm just going to leave as soon as you're finished.
Yeah. That's
So,
majority of people.
so bye.
Bye.
Okay, now I can just talk about how horrible Ethan is. Oh wait, it's still, bye. I was just doing that as a joke, by the way. I'm not actually being like that. I knew that it was still there. I just wanted to say that because I can. Okay, so, yeah, just going to... Oh, Vicious Bee. Vicious Bee. Vicious bee. Spider, and probably a hostage chick as well. Oh, no hostage chick, okay. Just the vicious bee and the spider. And dead. Do 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 do. Okay, so I just need 2. And then I'm finally done. I'm gonna try and switch servers so I can try and find someone that can actually do a stick bug for me. Okay guys, so I've just asked SpeakerLogin very kindly to help me with a stick bug. He's going to very generously give me one. He's just gonna activate it when he joins the server. So yeah, that's really kind of him. Thank you so much. Just gonna wait until he's in the server. Okay guys, so he is finally here. Thank you so much, SpeakerLogin. I'm just gonna go into the sunflower field now. So yeah. Just gonna wait until he's finally ready. Okay, he said if I'm ready, and I said yep. So let's go. It's getting a little bit laggy, but all I really need is just the tokens from the other ones. The what are they called? Oh my god, what are they called? From the defense totems. That's what they're called. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, I'm at level 5 right now, and I'm just going to start recording, because around level 5 is when it does the thing that I keep forgetting the name of. Defense totems. That's what it is. I'm going to go AFK now. Okay. Can't really type in the chat right now, but okay. To wait for the... Wait. I'm going to go back to Flop. Oh, yeah, he was playing a game called Flop earlier. And I just had to... I had to join that game so I could ask. Bye. Really need to finally get this. Defense totem tokens. 2 of them. Just 2. I'm hopefully going to finally finish it today. I just need 2. Come on, please. Please, just create 2 of them, please, now. I mean, 1 of them. And give me 2 tokens at least. Just need 2. Please. 2. 2 isn't really asking for that much. Like, that person down there, he can take all of the rest. I just need 2 of them. I'm dead. I'm dead. But at least I'm alive again. I'm not... Oh, I don't know. I just need 2. 2 of them. And of course that has to happen. Yay. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yep, I'm dead. Ah, dang it. I'm gonna start dying because I've technically still got the stuff on me, even though it doesn't show it. Or maybe I did get it all off. Yeah, because I'm not dying anymore. Okay, just need to get this 2 of them. Oh my god, there's so many of those things. No, just run away from them. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Finally done that part. Come on, just please give me them. Please. 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 There's only 2 minutes left. Just please create one. Please. Oh my god, please. Please, just make one. Please, I am begging you now. I'm literally begging you. It's not that hard to make a totem, dude. It's honestly not that hard to make a totem. 1 3/4 left. Okay, and now you're literally dead and I'm gonna have to go to the bamboo field now, okay. Ugh, come on. Just hurry up and make that stupid thing, please. No. Hostage. I've captured Commando Chick 13 times. Okay, I don't know why it said that. Okay. So if you kill Hostage Chick. Oh! Defense totem! Okay. Hurry. Hurry, please. Hurry. How big is it? Oh my god, please just do this thing. Please. I'm actually nervous and sweating right now. Half a minute left. I think I can do it, but if I get the stuff, that's the question I want to know. I want the answer to that, and I want it to be the good answer. Boom. Yes, I got it. I'm done. Done. Yes. I don't care that my new one, 25,000, okay. Keep the old, I don't care. I just need to finally hand in testing teamwork. All of that green, baby. All of that green. All of that green. Talk to Science Bear. Fascinating. So there are at least 34 types of bees. And even more evidence demonstrating the efficiency gains offered by teamwork. By starting these, I believe I can unlock some potential in your swarm. Thinking. Aha, there we go. From here on out, your bees will be able to convert 25% more pollen to honey at a time. That brings the conversion efficiency bonus to 750%. Report back to me when you're ready to do more research. Boom. Not really worth it for the quest rewards, but I at least have finished the quest. And now I go all the way out here. What does it mean for something to have meaning? Does the word bee only have meaning insofar as it evokes the image of an actual bee in the mind? Of the one who reads or hears it? Are the emotions that words evoke also part of the being? When I hear bee, I feel happy since they make honey, but others may also associate the word bee with panic, the fear of being stung. Oh, bye. Wait, I'm all the way down here there now. Oh, and what happens when, over time, a word begins to... Oh, there's me. Hello. Over time, a word begins to refer to something other than what was originally intended. The bees you see in this game only loosely reflect the bees that exist in the real world, but there may be children around the world who, due to their familiarity with the bee swarm simulator, may first picture basic bee in their mind before an actual living bee. These ambiguities surrounding language makes it difficult to comprehend through traditional scientific means. It seems those ambiguities may arise from language underlying and supporting the structure of knowledge itself. Is it even possible to comprehend, let alone measure, something that it seems to lie beneath comprehension? It is for me. That's why I've been able to make so much progress on my third translator. All I need now is you to complete my following tasks. Collect 268,435,456 pollen from the sunflower field. Oh no. The exact same amount for pineapple patch. Exact same amount for pumpkin patch. 4,096 tokens, or honey tokens. The same for boost tokens, the same for focus tokens, 512 melody tokens, same for rage tokens, 101 moon charms fed to my bees. Use 10 glitters, use 10 blue extracts, use 10 red extracts, craft 101 ingredients with the blender, defeat 101 rhino beetles, defeat 10 werewolves, defeat 1 tunnel bear, and most importantly, discover 35 types of bees. Report back to me when your research is complete. No! Oh my god, look at this. No. Oh my god, this is like the longest quest I've ever had. This is like the longest quest I've ever had. Epistemological endeavour is how you pronounce it. Okay, so yeah, a lot of sunflower, a lot of pineapple, and a lot of pumpkin. These, I don't like the sound of using 10 glues, using 10 red and blue extra. That is not fun. But let's just get started with pumpkin patch, where I end off my video. 31 times? Captured, spotted, you've captured. Okay, I think I see what it's doing. So, it's saying commando by accident, but it means I've captured spotted chicks 31 times, and I've captured the hostage chicks 13 times. So I don't actually know how many times I've captured commando, because I definitely haven't done it 31 times. But yes, so if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button as hard as you can. I have so much fun playing this game, and I really hope you like watching me as well. So, my mouth is very dry right now. I'm gonna quickly go get a drink as soon as I've ended this video. I'll just do a little bit more grinding in this field so I can at least see the green, because I can't even see. Oh, I can just see the green. Barely though. And 1 focus token, 6, 7 boost tokens, 10 honey tokens. Oh, this is going to be a really, really annoying quest to do. But as always, good bye. Wait, I want to get this first. Goodbye. Oh my god, wait, nope, I'm not ending it yet. I need to quickly get this. I can't turn my recording off when I need to get this. Okay, I think it's all done. Just a little bit over here, and then goodbye.